Are your FiveM QuantV and NVE graphics mods not working after the latest update? You're not alone, and we're fixing it right now! The first step is often a simple file check. Open your FiveM application folder, dive into the mods directory, and verify that your QuantV and NVE files are actually there and not corrupted. Sometimes an update can scramble these, so deleting and re-downloading fresh versions often resolves the conflict, letting the game see them properly. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or outdated drivers, which brings us to method 2, updating your graphics drivers. Old drivers frequently clash with new game updates, so head to Device Manager, find your GPU, and update to the absolute latest version. This ensures your hardware can correctly render the advanced modded graphics. Still having trouble? Method 3 tackles the notorious FiveM cache. Close FiveM completely, then hit Windows key +R, type send local update or send FiveM, and delete the contents of the cache folder. This clears out old, potentially corrupt temporary files that can block mods. Finally, if all else fails, a proper reinstallation is key. Method 4 involves uninstalling QuantV and NVE, deleting any lingering files, and then performing a clean install as administrator. This guarantees fresh, uncorrupted mod files are placed correctly, ensuring your FiveM QuantV and NVE graphics mods function perfectly, bringing back those stunning visuals you love.